guys, welcome to Ray's Creative Corner. Today we're going to be learning how to make stickers. So everybody in school was just prompting me to make stickers, take a video about stickers. So here I am making a video about stickers. What you'll need for this tutorial: baking paper, piece of drawing paper, pencil, if you want an eraser, which I won't be needing, scissors, a ruler to draw, and some scissors, one-sided tape, and some coloring markers. And as you can already see here, I've already got an example. So you get this and then you peel it off and there you have a sticker. So let's get into it. First, we're going to be drawing our design. Can you guys guess who it is? If you guess Marshmallow, yes, you are correct. I am a huge fan of Marshmallow. So, I've been drawing him for my stickers so far. If you have a look at my sketchbook on the front cover next time I draw my sketchbook, you see, I have like quite a lot of Marshmallow stickers. Okay, so I've drawn my quick design. I'm just gonna draw some. Okay, now scissors needed. Dun dun dun. Make sure you get some parental guidance for this. I'm gonna cut. Ow, it's stuck between it. Oh, I know what's happened. There we go. See, I'm just that one big brain. Don't you think? I just have that 1000 aura bar. Okay, cut out my design. I'm gonna curve it a bit on the edges. So I've done curving it. Looks like this. Now, scrap piece of paper. Get out. Now we're gonna get our piece of baking paper, put it, okay? But we need to measure the sizing because we don't want to waste baking paper. So I'm going to hold this here and quickly cut a square around it. Done. Now, before we get any further, coloring. So, I'm just going to color Marshmallow. He's white. So this is going to be quick and easy. But if you guys want your stickers to really stand out, make sure you guys outline it with a black marker. My mom says never outline it with a black, thick marker. That's why I'm doing it thin. It's always good to use fine liners, but who cares? So you're going to be... Make sure when you guys doing this, you take your time. And I know I'm doing the opposite of that. But yeah. And you want your design to be something people will engage with. I'm going to change my design a bit there. Okay. I've done some color. Baby, color, color. Ooh la la lee. Ooh la 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 lee. Ooh la la lee. Ooh la 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 lee. Boop boop patapim tralalelo tralala. I'm gonna do the headphones maybe black. I like black headphones. So I'm just almost done coloring. I just need to color in the mouth. But I'm saying to get your next step ready, if you're done, get your baking paper. And with your one-sided tape, I suggest you use the wrap and move tape here. Because it's big. So I suggest you use that. Piece of paper. There. So I suggest you guys use that. And we're going to be using this to wrap the whole thing up. So I'm trying to find the piece of tape stuck here. Oh, why is this so hard? Okay. So I'm just finding I'm just finding the piece of tape and I'm trying to do it. My bad. I just spoiled the whole entire tape. Okay, you know what? Give me 1 second. Okay? Okay. So, sorry about that. I still haven't found it, but I think I got a way around it. Still haven't found it, but I got a way around it. Sounds good. Give me 1 sec. How about we cut all this, right? Yeah, we're gonna cut this and try it one more time. Because this was #1 failure. It's always good to have failures. Teach you something. But a fail like this, oh, he ain't on it. Did I just? No, I did not. Oh my god, I just sold. Okay. I finally got the thing. And we're ready to move on. No, I'm not. Okay. Make sure you guys watch part 2 because this is going to take ages. Bye.